How to use magnet in Lands of Jail. So these are materials that is used in your equipment reformation. So basically a special upgrade system for legendary equipment that unlocks once the equipment reaches plus 40 levels. And these upgrades can give a big boost to your equipment stats. So there are 20 reformation levels in total for your equipment, and it goes from level 1 to 10, which is using precision gears, and from level 11 above, we'll use magnets as well. So we have a little table over here for the upgrades. So starting at level 1 to 10, you will only be using precision gears, up to 200 of them. But once you reach level 11 on that equipment, you will be starting to use your magnets, and up to level 20, which will cost you these amounts. So here on the left is the precision gears, and on the right is magnets. But that's pretty much how you use the magnets in Lance of Jail. It's basically for your legendary equipment. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if you can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.